So, last starter for this section, find the range for f of x equals 3x squared minus 12x plus 7, for x is a member of the reals and x is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 4. So we need to do f of 1 equals 3 lots of 1 squared minus 12 lots of 1 plus 7 equals 3, 10, that would be negative 2. Right, what we're doing is we're finding the output values, because the range is what is the output values, for the function that we're looking at. And we found that when and when it is, we get minus 2. If we put f of 4 in, we get 3 lots of 4 squared minus 12 lots of 4 plus 7. So that would be 16 times 3 is 48 minus 4 lots of 12, which is 48. So we get 7. Now the weak candidate would just say then that the range is between minus 2 and 7. But we know that our graph is a quadratic and we need to find out the turning point, because we need to check if the turning point is between 1 and 4. Yeah? If the turning point is outside, so if we had 1 to 4 up here, this turning point isn't affecting the range. Right? Equally, if 1 to 4 is this side, again, it doesn't affect the output. But if 1 to 4 goes across here on our x-axis, then the turning point is changing the range. So let's find the turning point and check to see if our answer is going to be minus 2 to 7. The quickest way to find the turning point, I always think, is complete the square. So take the 3 out, x squared minus 4x plus 7 over 3. Complete the square on the bracket, so x minus 2 squared minus 4 plus 7 over 3. Multiply back through the 3, so 3 lots of x minus 2 squared minus 12 plus 7 is equal to 3 lots of x minus 2 squared minus 5. So the turning point comes from making the bracket equal to 0, so x equals 2, y equal minus 5. So this point is 2, negative 5. Right. So the key is that 2 lies between the 1 and the 4. And we notice that minus 5 is lower than minus 2. So if I was to put my x-axis on here, my y-axis on here somewhere, that won't be right. Let's just make it better. It's going to be on the side here where this is positive, because that's 7. Right? And then we've got 1. When x is 1, we've got a point here at negative 2. And when we go across to 4, we've got a value of 7. Okay. So we can see then that our range for our outputs goes from negative 5 up to 7. Yeah, because we're going from here on the graph all the way around and up to here. So this section underneath or below minus 2 is also included our range of outputs. So the range is f of x is a member of the set of reals and f of x is less than or equal to 7 and greater than or equal to negative 5.